You have so many targets, you can enter. You hit them. You get panic, you know, you think too long. You cannot think. All of a sudden, you have the response to it. All right, because of the technique, okay? See, but here, right? This can be done over here, like here, right? One, two. Not like this, you in a dream world. Right? He's staying still and reading the newspaper, come on. He moved and he gonna try to get you. That is the reason why, but look, the first punch is $1 million, okay? When he hit, I don't know, people are used to straight punches, honestly true, yeah? This is dream world, I call it. He hit that, bang, okay, dream world. But what about he changes a guy that is not even never learned martial art, okay? And he hit, right? You're up. Because he was not expecting combination punches. See, you punch it. It's easy, just now, right? Right? Alright, now we go, what did you want to have in connection with the sambot? And I could tell you the sambot number 3. Alright, I break it. And then we flow together, we make a technique of different techniques of it. Right? And understand, when you penetrate, you have to adjust. When you do this, okay, there is a punch, and I want to pull him. 100 years, he will still over there. But when you go here, you hear that? Now, see, and then boom. This is not even working yet. Okay? So that's the reason why the penetration is a very important thing. Who knows Larry Hartzell? Okay. What Larry Hartzell say? Okay? Larry, I'm sorry I'm using your name. Go to the heart of the danger. There you find safety. Do we not say that? Alright. Oh, Larry, what are you? But I love Larry. But see here? Okay? Right? See, when I give you traditional and you're crawling on the floor, it's a boy, oh boy. I don't need that, my back, my knees to hurt. No, I give you a silat street application. It's much better. Why? Because when you're crawling on the floor and anything, with Harimo, you have to be young. Then you look the mirror at the front, you sing young of heart, right? That's been why. Right? See what I do? When I do this, I get cast. No. Right? Alright, we do now number 3. And then everyone gonna do it, okay? That is the point. Remember, this is not yet involved. When you cannot cope with one, you cannot cope with two, believe me. First one hand, okay? Before I say, what combination? What this and what that, okay? Easy, wait a minute, give me a chance. Here? Right? That is control for this too. This is control for this too. That's the reason why he said, don't you worry, I explain later how that works. But this is not to fight too many motions. Alright? Too many motions. That's the reason why from here on you can take the things to combine. See when you have the flow. And not when you have a fight and you have, like see here, have all targets and then you have so many targets, and then you say, boy, why I gonna hit them? You know, you can answer. You hit them, right? When you that's all right or not? That is the reason why, and sometimes you get panic, you know, you think too long. You cannot think. That is all of a sudden you have the response to it. Because not react, okay? That's the reason why, you see? Nah, right? You know why here? Huh? Safe? My wife. Okay, I answer for you. Well, here, can say hand here, yeah? Here, yeah? Look then. Before I get the hand, yeah, then we swing it to fast it for it. See? Miss. Right? Now, he can swing it so fast as it. What? Do I got him? The reason why here. Alright? Because this, he go, and then you cannot control. And when he goes here, I go here, lose. But I do here, he can swing so much he can, right? You care less, you get him, because his shoulder goes nowhere, his arm do, right? Right. Oh, sweet it is. Right? See, I salute. I saw it's superb. See? Alright? We do it again. Slow and break it up, okay? You don't have to worry. Rome is not built on a day. I heard that mentioned or Sipo, but I don't know. See? One, right? Did that. Right? You cannot do this. See? You get crooked. That's the reason why. Bang. Right? Bang. Right? See here? Stay. Alright? Because that is a formula. That is not to fight. Right? Because when one entry here, I give you a little help, okay? And you have to go through this first, right? One option. He defeat. But that is later I will explain, okay? I want to tell you why you have to go through this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because on 7 you can make putra kapala, neck breaker, but I do slow it. Because some men don't talk back, but he heard you, right? Right? Bang. Right here. Right? Thank you. Right? You go sit there. See it? And the rest, you know, okay? You go third verse, 1. All right? You see it? Guys, will you help?